This how we rock, you know what I'm talking about? We got a surprise for y'all in the inside, you know what I'm saying? Got a surprise. Hold on. Take a look. Yeah. That pedal box. Yeah. Yeah, that's that pressure. Yeah, it don't give you more horsepower, but it's gonna give you all yours. As soon as you hit the gas, homie. Yeah, you're gonna pull off. Yeah, I better tighten up. Hold on. Little simple hookup. You know what I'm saying? Finna get this hooked up, then I'm gonna get back with y'all, know what I'm saying? Let y'all know how it drive. Get up now. So fast, dog. I barely even touched the gas and it's gone. I ain't even got to get all the way on the gas. Not no more. Pull up next to me playing if you want to. Yeah. No lie. I love it already. Big difference, like big difference. Damn, I feel like I can go to a race. And I'm not even that type of dude that want to race. I'm just playing, pull up on me if you want to. No, pull up on me. Like this truck behind me trying to keep up. Y'all see him? Don't say nothing though. I just feel like I'm just floating. Even the ride is different, like everything. Yeah. There's too much traffic, man. I ain't gonna y'all nothing. But we still gonna enjoy it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I'm rocking. Yeah, for real, for real. Yeah, let me tell y'all something with this pedal box. I swear I barely even have to touch the gas now, dog. Like, make it do that. I had to get halfway on the gas. Nah, it's like I'm barely even touching it. Y'all hear it? Yeah. Barely even have to get on the gas. I feel like I might need to get me some bigger tires. I'm already at 275. What's happening? Now I just want to pull up on another Scat SRT Daytona and just see the difference, you know what I'm saying? I want to see the difference. I feel the difference, but I want to see it. Yeah, I want to see it. You know what I'm saying? But we almost there. Once we get there, oh, you gonna know, you gonna know. Yeah, what's happening, man? Before I end this video, is another mod that I wanted to show y'all, but I kind of had to wait for it to get nighttime, know what I'm saying? But here it is, though. Yeah. That Scat Pack. Yeah. Like I told y'all before, the Bumblebee push start, know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like that. I might change that one, though. I don't know, I'm debating. Like I told y'all, I'm changing this right here. This 6.4 liter. Somehow, like all in between that, it gets so dirty to the point it be just white. Just stick out, be white. I don't like that. You can kind of see it now. See it? Yeah, I'm gonna change that one. But yeah, this boss lady. Scat Pack 2018. Yeah, that Scat Pack symbol 392, I put that there. They ain't come like that, you know. It came with a 392 Hemi. Yeah, she look good, man. Oh yeah, she look good at nighttime too. You heard me? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm just getting off, so I'm finna head back to the crib. I might give y'all something on the interstate. It depends. We're gonna see what to do though. But till next time.